Hello guys, my name is Teacher Washy. Today I want to show you how to find or how to calculate sum, how to calculate average in spreadsheet, if you like in Excel. Let's get started. This is how you do it. You open Excel, after opening, you enter the data, then this is how you find total. And this is how you find average. Kindly subscribe Teacher Washy on YouTube and you are going to get many more. Share what do you want me to teach you. Share in the comment section and I'll do it straight away. Stay tuned.